Hello, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Let me open up the stream, the YouTube, actually. Let me see you. I want to see you. I want to see you, guys. I want to see you. How's it going? Oh, here we are. Here we are. Oh, hello, beautiful people. Hi, everyone from Belgium, France, Nashville. Look at how many beautiful people. Look at that. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Leave a comment in the chat. If you see me, say hi. If you hear me, say hi. If you don't, say whatever you want. Welcome. Welcome back to this live. Ciao. Ciao, amici italiani. Hello, people from all over the world. Where are you from? Where are you connected from? Tell me in the chat. And let's start roll this new live together. Beautiful. India, Africa. Great, beautiful. Kenya, USA, Morocco, Missouri, Azerbaijan, South Africa, Britain, Spain, Germany, Texas, Mars. Beautiful. Say hello to Elon. Guys, welcome back to the Founder Pro live session. You just sent me a message so I know that you can hear and see me. My name is Michele Rossi. You can find me on Instagram with the name Michele Rossi Official. Be sure to follow me and be sure to follow and leave a like on this beautiful challenge that is hosting me, Founder Pro. Thanks for having me. Thanks for being here from Pakistan, Uganda, Kenya, Algeria, Zeneze in UK, the south of Belgium. Ciao, Luca. So before we start talking about what we like the most trading and prepare for this session, let me say a big thank you again to Funder Pro for making this live possible. And because of Funder Pro, we're also doing again something really special giveaway. So stay until the end, because at the end of this live session or in between, I don't know, so you better watch it all. We're going to do a giveaway and I will gift one instant funded account worth $10,000. You've heard correctly. You're going to get a 10,000 straight to SIM funded account that you can trade straight away and collect your profit. No challenges. So we're going to use a randomizer. I will tell you a word to say, followed by your Instagram handle. If you don't have Instagram, that's your problem. Go open up and one, you have time. But we'll tell more later. So stay connected. Let's go to the market context. I hope you followed the Monday weekly prep on Funder Pro Instagram channel. If you didn't, be sure go and follow. So let's anchor the session with the just hit the tape, because today we got a mixed bag, and a mix means volatility and fake outs if you're not disciplined. So we got the, let me open up this. This is investing.com, is a free website where you can read news, economic news. And we got the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. It came in strong, 16.3 versus 7.5 forecast. That's a growth positive signal. It support the economy is still moving narrative. But at the same time, the Philly Fed employment component dropped to 1.3 versus the 9.7, which was the previous number. So um, that's some weakness in the employment, and that create uncertainty. On the labor side, we got the jobless claims 206K versus 223 forecast previous 2029. That's the stronger label signal. Less claims than expected. These give the dollar strength. The continuing jobless claims on the other side, we got a number which is 1.879 versus a forecast of 1.860. The previous one was 1.852. So, continuing claims are still elevated, not exploding, but not clean either. Now, the big one, the trade balance. The trade balance, US trade deficit went to minus 70.3 billions versus the minus 55.5 expected and the 53 previous. So the deficit got worse, which can add pressure on sentiment and it can move the dollar. So what does this mean in trader language? It means we're in a market where you can get a bullish headline and a bearish reaction in the same minute. And that's why today the edge is not prediction. The edge is structure plus timing. So what we're going to look at, we're going to look at a NASDAQ. We're going to trade the NASDAQ. We're going to go with a scalp. Okay. And NASDAQ is sensitive right now because we got two teams today. We got good growth data that can be bullish, but strong labor plus mixed inflation narrative can also keep rates sticky, which can pressure tech. So on Nasdaq today, I want to see either a break and hold above key areas, key intraday levels, than a pullback entry. Break and hold and a pullback entry onto the upside. Or a rejected and fail yet at key level, maybe right here, then break, retest, continuation. Break, retest, continuation. So no chasing, no guessing. Okay. The strategy is pretty simple. It's always the same strategy. I'm going to tell it again. Once again, maybe we got some new people here. Did you guys already participated at these lives on the previous weeks and months? Say yes or no in the chat. Yes? No? First time here? Let me know. Yes, if you already participated to this live, you still have 8 minutes to the market open. Beautiful. Okay, so if it's your first time, the strategy is pretty simple. Okay, it's nothing hidden, it's nothing secret. The biggest strategy is having a plan, money management, and that's it. Couple of trades, 3 maximum. Beautiful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna possibly wait for the first 5-minute range. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the first 5-minute range. It is an orb strategy, so opening range breakout strategy, but with some plus. So we're gonna mark up the high and the low of the first 5 minutes. Okay. We're gonna anchor the VWAP to the first candle at the opening, 3:30 in Italy. And we're going to be using the anchor VWAP as a directional filter. Imagine this, just to make it very, very simple. If the price sitting above the VWAP, where buyers are in control. If the price sitting below the VWAP, sellers are in control. That doesn't mean down we sell, up we buy, but we know who's in control. It's the volume weighted average price. Okay, the VWAP, this tool right here. Okay. But let's say above, I prefer longs. Below, I prefer shorts. If price is chopping around VWAP, I wait. So I'm not buying breakouts and praying. I want a break, create an efficiency, retrace, and then entry. That's how we avoid usually getting cooked by spikes. So the risk rule is pretty simple. We're going to have a maximum of 3 trades today. Tight risk, partial profits. We're going to protect the position and move to break even very early. Consistency beats creativity. And the trade window is going to be between 3:30 and 3:45, 3:50. I'm not going beyond 4 p.m. This is a live show. This is just educational. But I'm trading like I'm trading my own challenges and funded account. Okay. So I'm not gonna do crazy stuff. I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna risk more than I should. I'm not gonna force trades. Sometimes no. Okay. But usually, no, I don't do it. Beautiful, Prina. Prina Ghosh. Oh, I remember you. You won. Great. How's it going? I hope you're using your account with respect. Make a good use of it. Sergio, I'm gonna trade Nasdaq, specifically the micro Nasdaq future. Okay, but the same strategy you can apply on CFDs. NAS 100. Yes, exactly. So we have 3 minutes to the market open. If you have question, please leave it in the chat. Chatty Tech works. You're boring, bro. Stop asking. Enjoy the live. Uh, it's not about micros, but Carola, usually I risk a couple of $100. So it depends on the stop loss. Usually it's 2, 3 micro. The game, Marco, stay until the end when we're doing the The giveaway, I'm gonna tell exactly the rules. I usually go with the one-to-one risk to reward on the funded accounts that I have. I have a trade copier with multiple accounts connected. And 1, 2x, I don't care. The more that I can squeeze out on challenges. I'm gonna be more aggressive on challenges and less aggressive on funded accounts. You can't wait to win an instant funded account. Great. 20% now with code live. You asked, Funder Pro delivered. Victor Mutuiri, my question about stop loss. Ask again, please. I cannot name copier right here, but you can Google it. You will find a lot of them. And the market open. Um, I cannot speak on that, but 99% of the time, people get banned because it's breaking rules. Easy as that. I never broke rules on prop. I mean, yes, I did, but I'm conscious about that. So if I'm getting refused the payout or if I'm getting banned, it's because I'm not following the rules. That's it. And let's anchor our VWAP on the first 1 minute candle. No, that's not true, team lead Josh. That's not true. It's never true. I know a lot of very, very good traders. They never got a payout refused. And I know a lot of stupid traders who got banned from prop. You have to wait. Now it's trading time. Later, it's going to be giveaway time. Gotta stay until the end. Follow Funder Pro Instagram account. Follow my Instagram account, Michele Rossi Official. Follow, subscribe to the YouTube channel and wait. And this is our range. I never got refused. Prenak Ghosh. Great. Sergio Williams, you got in with a buy. Okay. I don't know. If I wait 2 hours to end live stream and if I don't win funded account, then what should I do? Go and buy one. Right, Pinak. True. Nah, because you get scammed because of two reasons. First reason, you go to shady props, and it's pretty easy to understand. Second way is you don't follow the rules. That's pretty much it. Yes, I have Michele Rossi Official and Michele Rossi Official ENG English. And we have a close, and I'm in a cell, guys. I'm in a cell. I'm in a cell. I'm in a cell. Just close below. I'm in a cell. You just close below the 5-minute orb. This is my trade. 1-to-1 risk to reward. On funded accounts. And I'm looking for more on challenges. Stop loss is right above the midline of the orb. Break and close, retest of the orb. If you're looking for a sell, this is another very good entry point. If you're looking for a sell, if it reverses on me and close above the VWAP, I'm gonna enter a buy and I'm gonna inverse the trade. But I still believe in a sell. Let's wait and see. This is my TP1 break even. TP1 is going to be on funded account. If it hits, and then it's going to be my TP2. Possibly. Let's see. It's very choppy. It can reverse right now very, very hard. Hopefully, it doesn't do that. We got a round number, 800. I have my heat map telling me there's a lot of orders. There's a lot of absorption right here. Let's see if they're buy orders or sell orders. I don't know. Uh, Sergio, I have two orders, two sell orders, one in here and one in here. So I'm going to move my stop loss to break even on the first one. And the first TP on the second order is going to be about to this week low. It's about right here. I'm already at break even on the first one, not on the second one. Sorry, on the second one, not on the first one. And yeah, I'm out at break even. If this candle rejects very quickly, I'm going to be out with a 50% risk. I'm going to reverse the position possibly. So I moved my stop loss to the 50%. I don't want to risk the full sell. There's too much indecision right here. As you can see, I'm using the VWAP to trail my stop loss. Okay. And I'm out. I guess we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for the 50-minute range. It's gonna be something like this. Let's close these things in here. There you go. This is the next position that I'm looking at. Not yet. It has to close and goes above, but it's invalidated. And I would say it's very invalidated by now. So, no, no, no. Too much indecision. We're still we're still at the same price in between the range. This was the opening price at 330. We're still ranging in between. Yes, I agree, Sergio. But there's no setup that I like. So that means I'm gonna force the trade. Look, up and down and up and down and up and down. Belgheiro. Yeah, yeah, I'm not disciplined. In fact, I'm trading thousands and thousands of contracts on multiple accounts, burning them all. You're really a bad trader. Oh, this guy's a really bad trader. It's gonna say, I don't know, guys. It's sitting in the middle of nowhere. I mean, daily, intraday, yes, I'm looking for sells. Scalping at this very moment, there's no setup. To me, I'm following the same strategy as every Thursday. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We just tested one sell. We got one BA, one partial stop loss, and that's pretty much it, I guess. Yes, but do remember that we're in a live stream. This is a show, and I'm not gonna sit all day long here waiting for opportunities. It's gonna be boring. Do you agree? But anyway, why don't we give this 10K account, instant funded account? What do you guys think? Should we do the giveaway and wait for a potential setup? Look, the price still sitting at the opening price. Yeah, it's a plan. Show me some love in the chat. So to participate to the giveaway, just a little reminder. Remind to put a like on this show, subscribe to Founder Pro YouTube channel, follow Founder Pro on Instagram. Oh, yes, also me, if you wish. Michele Rossi Official, thank you, Founder Pro. To be eligible. So this is the rule for the giveaway. So you better open your ears. I'm gonna say a word and write the word down right here on my screen. Okay? It's gonna be a specific word. The first person who answer writing down the word plus his or her Instagram account is gonna win. It's very, very easy. Let me repeat the rule. Let me write down the rules. I'm gonna write down a word, something like this. This is not the word. This is just to explain. No, 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 no. Don't write anything right now. Don't write. And Belg Cato, you're waived from the giveaway. You're not gonna win anything. You cannot participate. That's my choice. You can go away. You don't like me. I don't like you. That's it. Don't write anything at the moment. Leave the chat free. Okay? It's gonna be a word, and after I write down the word, you have to put the word in the chat, followed by your Instagram account. This is the only way to participate. Is this clear? Are the rules clear? If the rules are clear, say yes. Write down in the chat, yes. And we're doing this giveaway. No, I'm not gonna repeat the rules. I just told them 3 times. Jesus. Okay, stop right down in the chat. Stop chatting. Okay? Stop chatting. I'm gonna write down the word. Beautiful, Sergio. Great. Good for you. I don't see any setup. So I don't think I'm gonna enter any trade. If I see something, I'm gonna tell you live. Don't write down anything. Don't chat. Leave the chat alone. And the magic word I'm picking up a random word. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This is the word. First one to command the word and write his Instagram handle is gonna be picked up for a win. There it goes. And our very good friend Tristan from Thunder Pro is gonna tell who won the 10K funded account. Oh. Look, the only thing that I'm gonna do now is using the orb. Okay, so this is an extra setup that I'm telling you. This is the next trade that I'm gonna trade. It's gonna be a buy. Stop loss right here. Take profit right here. And right here, I'm gonna take the partial, move my stop loss to break even, move along, and possibly get a 1 to 2 risk to reward. But this is just purely a technical strategy. Very easy. As soon as this 5-minute candle closes above this range, this 15-minute range, I'm gonna enter a trade. But this is gonna take much longer. Who won is J Vento Freelance. Congratulations. J Vento Freelance won the 10K instant funded account. Beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. Am I supposed to spin the wheel? Yeah, the last time. This time we did it differently. That's not fair. Boo-hoo. Don't be so blabbling. Smile at life. Life is beautiful. I'm the first to type the word check. Tabrets. Tabrets. I'm not the one checking, guys. Nah, it's J Vento. Guys, it's J Vento. No, I don't know. Starboy. And there's nothing that I can do about it. I'm sorry. Buy your challenge. Be good at trading. Make some payouts and buy a better connection. I live in a very, very small town. Okay? Live in a very, very small town. I have the worst internet ever. Yet I can do what I can do. And for all the other people, remember that you have the code live. You can use the code live and you have the 20% off any challenge. I mean, any account that you want to buy. No, you were not, Victor Turturi. Why you guys so you're only complaining every time? So to be clear, if the price do not close above this range, I'm not gonna enter the trade. Okay, just if the price crosses this blue line and close above, I'm gonna enter a trade. Then you can place your stop loss at the middle, down below, whatever you want. Just if it goes and closes below, I'm gonna enter a sell, opposite side. So yes, this is it. This is it. Beautiful people. Thank you very, very much for being here with me today. Uh, this was not a very fun day. I mean, for the giveaway, yes. For the trading, quite boring. A lot of wicks, a lot of fake outs, but it is trading. And going back to consistency and following your plan, this is it. You risk small, aim for a small win, and you walk away. If you got stopped out, you manage your stop loss, of course, as much as you manage your take profit. So I also take partial when I'm in a drawdown if I don't like what I see. And you walk away. The day is done, and see you tomorrow. So thank you very much for being here today with me. Leave a like, subscribe, and follow Thunder Pro community for weekly prep. I'll see you live again on Monday on Thunder Pro Instagram channel for the next weekly prep. And again, next Thursday here. Bring your family, bring your friends for some free education and a little bit of show. And see you next week. Ciao, guys.